In this video, I'm going to show you how to back out a twisted stitch. Twisted meaning you might see it as a TW2, or you might even see it as a C2B, which is a cable using 2 stitches, holding it in the back of your work. I like to call it a twist 2, TW2, because you don't need a cable needle necessarily to do a 2-stitch cable holding it in back. If you were to hold it in front, you might want to use a cable needle. But this hat right here that I am working on currently has all these cables in it, and I've created it in such a way that it's going to lean to the right. So I will show you how to again do a twist 2 or a C2B, and then I'm going to show you how to remove it. I do have a video on cables using 2 stitches, 4 stitches, and 6 stitches. But this one I'd like to show you how I can remove it without using a cable needle. So first of all, I'm going to knit through this second one. This is going to be the actual cable that I'm creating. And I'm going to leave it on, and I'm going to go in between the two, the first one and that second one I just knit, and knit that one, and then pull it off. And now I've just created this right leaning cable or a twist. Now I'm going to show you how I take it out. So let's say you weren't supposed to twist that row, because my next row will be a plain knit row. So if you start twisting and you got ahead of yourself and you need to remove it, you would go through this front stitch right here, grab that, turn it around, and you can see this lifting up. You would grab that one, and you would just remove these 2 stitches off, putting those 2 stitches back on the left needle, and it comes out perfect. I'm going to do it again. You'll see this twist right here. You're going to grab that, go into the lifted stitch behind it, and then pull those 2 off. You'll see how it just comes right out. And that is how you recover from accidentally going ahead of yourself and twisting a row that you weren't supposed to. And that is how you undo a C2B or a twist 2. Thank you for watching.